Time to get you a check of the forecast, and that does involve a check of the tropics today as we have a major hurricane, Eta, down, making landfall near Nicaragua and Honduras here this morning. We want to get you out the door here today. I know a lot of you are heading to the polling places starting here at 7 this morning, and we have got some picture-perfect weather to do that. Not a drop in sight across all of South Florida, and that goes from southern Collier all the way through Glades, Henry, up towards Charlotte County, as we're not going to see a drop in sight here later on today. It is cool out there here early, mid-50s from Arcadia down towards Punta Gorda, low 60s as you head towards Bonita Springs, down towards Ochopee and Everglades City. And that wind is making it feel a little cooler this morning, near 15 miles per hour in Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte. And you can see 12 miles per hour in Marco Island. We've seen gusts in the low 20s. Right now, the only gust around 20 is down in Marco. So with the wind in place today and very low dew points, which are starting to approach the upper 40s in Sarasota County, it's going to go about 79, 80 degrees today. But the big difference here with that frontal passage is we are all the way at the bottom of our MUGGY meter. That's nice. Just a week ago, we were sweating it out there in the oppressive category. And this afternoon, some locations in Collier will reach 80, forecasting upper 70s for most of Southwest Florida. Going to be sunny and breezy. Sunset time at 5:43. Here's what it looks like on the computer models. That northeast wind not going anywhere as that front stays to our south. East coast might pick up a hit or miss shower, but for us, we're going to remain dry. We'll keep a few clouds overnight. Wednesday, we start to moderate our temperatures a bit. We'll be in the low 80s, but still below our average of 84. Now in the tropics, Eta is a monster. This storm is barreling down here on Nicaragua and bringing heavy rain through Honduras. A little pinhole eye, roughly about 5 miles across yesterday, and it is just hours here from officially making landfall. This is a catastrophic one, and over the next couple of days, we've really got to watch this one because the computer models are a little split on what's going to happen. Here's what we know this morning. The latest advisory has those winds at 150, just shy of Cat 5, gusting to 185. The forecast track brings this back into the Caribbean. You can see some re-strengthening as a tropical storm. Here's the question. Does the core of Eta survive the mountainous terrain of Central America, or is this some remnants or a new storm developing here in the Western Caribbean off the coastline of Belize? Regardless of whether or not the name stays Eta or it becomes Theta, the models are pretty consistent about some type of development here just south of the Isle of Youth and the Cayman Islands here. And then where it goes from there, all bets are off. This is going to interact with some upper level steering, but we cannot write this storm off quite yet. Your Ingman Marine forecast, small craft advisory today as those seas will be 2 to 4 feet. Choppy on the inland waters, and you can see that water temperature in the upper 70s. So after reaching 79 degrees tonight, we got another nice refreshing change early, 63. And as we look at the extended forecast, our average is 83 for this time of year, and we'll be right at that tomorrow before we warm up over the weekend and enough moisture to introduce a scattered chance of a storm.